Good morning, good morning, good morning everyone. What is your name?
Myself Sakshi Gupta, the leader of this group, and we are from class 6. Here our topic is solar and lunar eclipses. Here I want to tell you first solar eclipse practically. Here you can see there are three sister bodies, namely Sun, Moon and our planet Earth. I am talking about solar eclipse when these three sister bodies get into a straight line and the shadow of Moon formed in the surface of the Earth. Then we can call it a solar eclipse. And then we can talk about lunar eclipse. It's just the opposite of solar eclipse. When the Moon, remember that point, the Earth will be the middle one. Then the shadow of the Earth will be formed in the surface of the Moon. Thank you.
Thank you. Yes. Very nice presentation by the Sakshi. Let us talk with the another students what they have made. What you have made, beta? What you have made?
Smart city.
Smart city. Kunda. What do you want to say about this project? Explain me.
The smart city is a city that have facilities and developments that we don't get in the normal city.
Okay.
Like metro trains, which helps us to travel, and it saves our time to travel. And like we make the hydraulic bridge,
Okay,
which was discovered by Leonardo in 15th century to avoid the sea traffics.
Oh, okay.
जस्ट लाइक अगर यहाँ से कोई शिप यहाँ से जाती है या फिर हाई शिप्स होती हैं तो ब्रिज को बहुत ज़्यादा ऊंचा बनाना पड़ता है ताकि वो शिप से टकराए ना. तो वो शिप ये जो ब्रिज होगी वो तब ओपन हो जाएगी और वो शिप उससे टकराएगी ना, इजीली निकल जाएगी.
पूरा है पीछे.
और उसके अलावा यहाँ पे हम लोग ने ये शो किया है वी यूज़ प्लांट्स टू शो द इन्वायरमेंट एंड we use reuse and recycle.
Okay.
And we use mostly handmade things like cardboard, and we make our project from the waste materials like cardboards and the plastics and tapes. We made the CMS school. We want that in future our school will be smart and we get a better knowledge in Kunda.
Okay.
Because it is unable to take better education in Kunda, or we have to go to Pratapgarh and NTPC and all places to get the knowledge. So I want, and we express that we can make a smart school in our project that shows the CMS school will be smart and one day.
Okay. What do you think that our Kunda can become like this smart city?
Yes, sir.
What do you think that our Kunda should be become like this smart city?
Yes, sir. Of course, Kunda will be one day like this because the main steps are our citizens.
Okay.
ये हमारा खुद का फर्ज होता है कि हम मतलब कि सिटीज को कैसे रख रहे हैं. ज़रूरी नहीं कि सारे काम गवर्नमेंट ही करवाए, क्योंकि गवर्नमेंट जब सपोज कहीं डस्टबिन वगैरह लगा दे तो सिटीजन जो होते हैं उसको.
Okay. At last, please give your introduction.
Yes, sir.
Give your introduction, please. Your name and class.
I am Simra Fatima of class 8 and we made this project of science.
Okay, so these are the students who have made very well project. Let us move towards another project. Let us move. Okay. What's your name?
Myself Vidya Fatma.
Yes, tell me something about your project.
Now I'm going to
Here, come this side.
I am going to tell about my project, what I make in this city. So first of all, I tell you why Harappa city is named as Harappa. Harappa, it means in the rule of Hindi. अगर हिंदी के अनुसार जाना जाए तो हरप यानी means सबसे पहली. Civilization means सबसे सभ्यता. It means सबसे पहली सभ्यता. Harappa civilization is the ancient civilization of India. It is the earliest civilization of India. Now I am going to tell you about my project. This is tool which is used by the people. Seals.
What is the duration of Harappa civilization?
2700 to 3500 BC.
Where it is located right now?
It is located in Sahiwal district, Punjab in Pakistan.
Who searched the Harappa city first time?
John Alexander searched the Harappa city, but they are not done. Then Rai Bahadur Ramchani was the archaeologist which invented this city in 1921.
What are the important things that are found in Harappa city?
The main things of this city is drainage system and their sculpture and craft.
Okay, very nice. This is Ikra who has presented about this project very well. Let us move towards another project. Very small kids of about 4 or 5 years students have made the project. I am going towards them. Let us talk with them. Yes, come here. Firstly, show the project work. Very nice project they have made. Yes, come here, beta. Come here. What? Yes, come here. What have you made, beta? What have you made?
Good morning, sir. Good morning, ma'am. Welcome to our school. My name is Abdul Rahman.
Okay.
We read in class prep. This
Okay.
is my team. He is Abdullah.
Okay.
He is Jagriti.
Yes, come here. Okay.
He is Jagriti.
Okay.
He is Fajan.
Okay. What have you? क्या बनाया बेटा आपने बताइए? Tell me.
We have 5 sense organs.
Okay.
Eyes, nose, ear, tongue and skin. Eyes से हम लोग देख सकते हैं, nose से हम लोग स्मेल कर सकते हैं, ear से हम लोग सुन सकते हैं, tongue से हम लोग टेस्ट कर सकते हैं and skin से हम लोग फील कर सकते हैं.
Very nice, very appreciative project made by, and very nice presentation by the, and very nice project by the Abdul Rahman. Let us talk with another students, another group. Let's see what they have made and what they want to show us. Let us move towards another group. Yes, what is your name?
Good afternoon, sir. So myself, Nishta Sahu, I am the leader of this group and it's my team.
Okay, what you have made, beta?
Parliament House. It is the old parliament and this is the new parliament.
Okay.
So जो old parliament है इसका जो डिज़ाइन किया था उसे एडविन लुटियंस और हर्बर्ट बेकर ने किया था और जो हमारा न्यू पार्लियामेंट है उसे बिमल हसमुख पटेल जी ने डिज़ाइन किया था और जो ओल्ड पार्लियामेंट उसका कंस्ट्रक्शन 1920.
What is the difference between the new parliament and old parliament?
सीटिंग कैपेसिटी और सिक्योरिटी से इन दोनों में बहुत डिफरेंट है क्योंकि जो ओल्ड पार्लियामेंट है उसमें 543 लोकसभा के लिए और 245 जो है वो राज्यसभा के लिए सीटेड थी. बट जो हमारे न्यू पार्लियामेंट है इसमें एक्स्ट्रा सीटेड है और मतलब जैसे कि जो लोकसभा है उसके लिए 888 और राज्यसभा के लिए 384 है और इधर ऐड किया गया लाइब्रेरी, डाइनिंग रूम, ये सब भी ऐड भी किए गए हैं. और जो सिक्योरिटी के मामले में ले तो उधर सीसीटीवी कैमरे में वायर की वजह से फायर हैजार्डिंग की प्रॉब्लम हो रही थी. इसलिए अब जो न्यू पार्लियामेंट है वो मॉडर्न तरीके से बना है तो उसमें सिक्योरिटी भी प्रॉपर वे से आ सके.
Okay. Oh, so we can see that this is the old parliament and this is the new parliament made by the Crescent Model School students. Let us move towards another project. I think this is a global warming, right? This is global one. Yes, come forward. What is the name?
My name is Zainab Ansari.
What you have made, beta?
I have made global warming.
Tell me something about global warming.
Heating of glacier is called global warming. एंड ग्लोबल वार्मिंग जो होता है वो हमारी ह्यूमन बींग्स और साथ में एनिमल्स के लिए भी काफ़ी ज़्यादा इफेक्ट.
What are the precautions we should use for reducing the global warming?
प्रिकॉशन
क्या प्रिकॉशन लेना चाहिए?
सर ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा हमें पेड़ पौधे लगाने चाहिए और सोलर पैनल्स का यूज़ करना चाहिए और पेड़ पौधों की कटाई हमें नहीं करनी चाहिए और पोल्यूशन को कम करना चाहिए और जो प्लास्टिक्स निकलती हैं उनको हमें रिसाइकल करना चाहिए, उनको वेस्ट नहीं करना चाहिए.
Okay. So these are the students of Crescent Model School who have made very interesting project.